In the previous video, I have explained you the basics of algebra. In this video, we are going to understand how to solve linear equation. There are four ways to solve linear equations. First, how to solve one-step equation, how to solve multi-step equations. Third, solving equation with variable on both sides. And fourth, solving absolute value equations. In this video, we are going to understand how to solve one-step equations. These are the core concepts of solving any equation. We have to first separate the variable on one side, and we have to remember that if we add, subtract, multiply or divide any number, we have to do it on both the sides of the equation. There are total 8 questions which I will explain you in this video, and in these 8 questions there are two very important questions. First this question and the other question is this. Now let's start solving the questions. In the first question, x minus 3 equals negative 8. To solve first question, we will add 3 on both the side of equation. After solving it, the 3 on the left side will get cancelled out. So we get x equals negative 8 plus 3, which is equals negative 5. Now to check this, we will plug the value of x in this equation. We will get negative 5, negative 3 equals negative 8. After solving left side, we will get negative 8, which is equals to negative 8. So the value of x is right. In the second question, we have y plus 8 equals 12. In this question, we will add negative 8 both the side to separate the variable. So on left side, 8 will cancel out and we get x equals 12 minus 8. So the value of y becomes 4. Now to check this, we will plug the value of y in this equation. So we get 4 plus 8 equals 12. So we get 12 equals 12. So the value of y equals 4 is right. In the third question, we have negative x over 5 equals negative 3. So the x is in fraction with 5. After multiplying negative 5 both sides, so we get negative x over 5 multiply negative 5 equals negative 3 multiply negative 5. On left side, 5 get cancelled out by 5 and this negative is cancelled out by negative. And on the right side, this negative is cancelled out by this negative. So we will get x equals positive 15. Now to check the value of x, we will plug the value of x in this original equation. In this equation, we will add x equals positive 15. So we get negative 15 over 5 equals negative 3. After cancelling 5 and 15, we get 3. So we get negative 3 equals negative 3. So the value of x is correct. In this fourth question, we have parentheses here. So to solve this equation, we have to first open the parenthesis. After opening this parenthesis, we get t minus 8 equals 10. Now to separate the t, we will add positive 8 both the side. So 8 and 8 cancel out on the left side. So we get t equals 18. Now to check this equation, we will plug the value of t in this original equation. So we get 18 plus parenthesis negative 8 equals 10. When we open this parenthesis, we get 18 minus 8 equals 10. So we get 10 equals 10. So the value of t is right. Now moving to the next question. In the fifth question, we have 6 pi equals pi x. So we all know that pi equals 22 by 7 or 3.14, which means pi is a constant. So to separate the x in this equation, we will divide pi from both the sides. We will divide pi from both sides. So we get 6 pi divided by pi equals pi x divided by pi. So pi is cancelled out from both the sides and we get 6 equals x. So the value of x is 6. To check this, we will plug the value of x in this equation. We will get 6 pi equals pi times 6. So we get 6 pi equals 6 pi. The value of x equals 6 is right. Now in the sixth question, we have x over 5 equals 3. So to separate the value of x, we will multiply 5 on both the sides. So we get x over 5 times 5 equals 3 times 5. So on the left side, 5 get cancelled out. So we get x equals 15. Now we will check the value of x and plug it in this equation. We get 15 over 5 equals 3. After cancelling 5 with 15, we get 3. So we get 3 equals 3. The value of x is right. Now in the seventh question, we have 5x equals 20. So to separate x, we will divide 5 from both the sides. So we get 5x divided by 5 equals 20 over 5. So on left side, 5 will cancel out, and in the right side, 5 will cancel out with 20 and get 4. So we get x equals 4. To check the value of x, we will plug it in this equation. We will get 5 times 4 equals 20. So we get 20 equals 20. The value of x equals 4 is right. Now coming to the question number 8, we have negative 54 equals 6x. Similarly, to separate the value of x, we will divide 6 from both the sides. So we get negative 54 over 6 equals 6x over 6. So on the right side, 6 get cancelled out, and on the left side, 6 will cancel with 54 and get negative 9. So we get negative 9 equals x. To check the value of x, we will plug the value of x in this original equation, and we will write negative 54 equals 6 times negative 9. So we get negative 54 equals negative 54. The value of x is right.